Hi guys, welcome back to Lady p.Naija TV. So guys, today I am going to be showing you guys how I prepared my fish jollof rice. In here I have my rice, that's my curry, thyme, fish. This one also is for jollof rice. That's my 2 seasoning cube, fresh tomatoes, scotch bonnet pepper, onions. This is my groundnut oil, crayfish powder, that's my butter. So this is what I'm going to be using for my fish jollof rice. Stay tuned guys and watch me doing the cooking. So in here I have my boiled water. I'm going to be using it to wash my rice. Okay, so I will be adding my onions now. So this is my salt. I'm going to be putting my rice inside now. So I will be adding my crayfish, thyme, curry, so this is my boiled fish. I'm going to be using the water to turn the rice. Okay, adding salt because I use salt to boil the fish. So now I am going to cover it to cook very well. So now I will be adding my butter. This is my butter. Guys, my oil rice is ready. My rice is ready, guys. Wow, I can feel the aroma already, guys. It smells so nice. My fish rice is ready. So guys, my rice is ready. So I will be serving it now, okay? This is the outcome of my rice. So here is my plate. Guys, I am done serving my rice. This is the outcome of my fish jollof rice. It's so tasty, guys. It looks so inviting. This is the outcome. So yummy. Please, guys, if you love this my jollof rice, give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up for your girl. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you are my returning subscriber, I love you all so much. Thanks so much for your love and support. Thank you all so much. See you in my next video. Bye bye.